I knew you'd do it, Fredericksburg. I knew you'd do it.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment is being tested that can quickly warn you.
I knew you'd do it.
This had been an actual emergency, such as a civil or weather emergency. Official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the Fredericksburg operational area. This includes this test of the emergency alert system.
There's WLMP.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area.
Let's get the translator too.
What's the name of the song?
If this had been an actual emergency, such as a civil or weather emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the Fredericksburg operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Of course WFLS is the fast one when I didn't check it.
Ourselves,
Of course.
upon our stuff, upon our needs.